This was the most spectacular cosmic event ever witnessed by humankind. On July 17, 1994, Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided violently with Jupiter, unleashing an energy equivalent to 40 trillion tons of TNT. If this comet had struck Earth instead, humanity might have suffered the same fate as the dinosaurs. Back in the 1970s, Jupiter's immense gravity captured the comet. However, because it was only a few dozen kilometers in diameter, scientists didn't notice its existence. It wasn't until 2 years before the impact that astronomers discovered it had entered Jupiter's Roche limit and had already been torn into 21 fragments. By the time of the collision, the comet was only 45.000 kilometers away from Jupiter. Scientists accurately predicted the impact, and both the Hubble Space Telescope and the Galileo probe, en route to Jupiter, turned their instruments to witness this rare astronomical event. As expected, on July 16, 1994, the first fragment of Shoemaker-Levy 9 crashed into Jupiter's atmosphere at a staggering speed of 60 kilometers per second. Over the course of a single week, 20 more fragments followed, each exploding with brilliant flashes of light. The largest fragment measured over 4 kilometers in diameter, releasing an energy comparable to trillions of tons of TNT. The explosions created massive black scars on Jupiter's surface, some spanning tens of thousands of kilometers. The fireball from the impact was so intense that it was visible from Earth. The bombardment continued until July 22, when the final fragment plunged into Jupiter, marking the dramatic conclusion of this extraordinary cosmic event. According to scientific measurements, the impact produced a fireball nearly 1.000 kilometers wide, with temperatures soaring to 30.000 degrees Celsius. Shockwaves caused plumes of debris to rise 3.000 kilometers above the planet's cloudtops. Even more astonishing, the impact's dust cloud lingered for nearly 6 months, leaving behind scars even more prominent than Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This event provided scientists with a rare opportunity to study Jupiter's atmosphere. The impact ejected various materials, and spectrometers detected diatomic sulfur, carbon dioxide, and heavy elements like silicon and iron. Jupiter's entire atmosphere became turbulent and chaotic. If life had existed there, the event would have been catastrophic. What if this comet had hit Earth instead? Had Shoemaker-Levy 9 been captured by Earth's gravity in the 1970s? It could have struck our planet around 1994. However, with modern technology, scientists believe we could have destroyed the comet or altered its trajectory. Even in the worst-case scenario, humanity would have had at least 20 years to prepare, ensuring the survival of civilization's legacy, perhaps preventing complete extinction.